Welcome friends, welcome to my channel. So today in this video I will show you how you can make passive income without investing any money. Yes, that's right. So in this video we will speak about how you can start a passive income, work from home and also earn money from that without investing any money. Only thing you will be investing is some time for yourself, and it does not have any criteria. If you are already working, does not matter. If you're a housewife, it is even better. If you're a student, it is even better. Anybody can give a try, because like I said, it will not cost you any money. So anybody can try. If you think you have a reach, you can connect to people through social media marketing. If you think you can connect to people and earn money through that, up to 15 to 25,000. Online it shows 25,000 per month people are earning. There are many people who are already in this doing it, but I would say let's keep a target of 15,000 to start with, and I'm sure everybody can give a try because it does not cost you any money. So it's about earn money online by reselling products through WhatsApp. I will speak about two apps in this video. I will show you how to what are those apps, how to register to those apps, and I will also show you how you can start earning money from that. So let's get started. Okay friends, so before we start this video, please do not forget to click on the subscribe button and the bell icon, because it will motivate me to make many such videos. And if you think if this video will help someone else, please do not forget to share. Okay, I think it is very good because there are so many people in this current situation are losing jobs. So I think they can give a try and see if they can earn some money out of it, and it will be without any investment. Okay, so the first app I'm showing you today is Meesho. When you go to Play Store, when you search for this app, install it. Once you install, it will ask you to put a registered phone number, enter the phone number. It will give you an OTP, submit the OTP, and once you submit, you will reach this page. Okay, so here in this page there is a small video from the company Meesho. So they are telling you how Meesho works. So basically how it works is you need to select the catalog or the products from here. Okay, so there are many products, all are this is priced at a wholesale market. Okay, so these are all wholesale price for these products. So you can select any product. So let's say for example you are selecting this product, the price for this is 246, a handbag. So you want to forward this to your customer, so you can just click on this and you can click on the share now option, which is here. It will take you to WhatsApp, and from WhatsApp you can choose the contact you want to share the details with, and it will be sent to them. So once it goes to them, they will only see the description of this product, they will see the pictures of the product, but they will not get to know the company's name Meesho or the company's price. Okay, and let's say your customers are happy with the product and they want to place an order. So you are telling, like say for example 246 is what Meesho is charging for this price. So if you say that you want to charge it for 260 rupees, so you will place an order in this app and you will keep your margin as 14 rupees, which will be 260 rupees. So what Meesho does is Meesho will deliver the product to your customers free of cost. You will not be charged for that. That is Meesho's responsibility. And when they deliver, they will collect 260 rupees from your customer, and Meesho will keep 246 rupees, and remaining 14 rupees they will credit it to your account. So this is basically how this app works. It is very simple. There are multiple options here in terms of catalog. You can choose anything you want from this. Like if you see, if I go to the second option here, you can click on anything you see here: saris, kurtas, menswear, jewelry, suits, western wear. So you have many options with the description. You can share only the pictures if you want, or you can share the description also if you want. But like I said, it will not share the company's details and the price which company is charging for this product. Price you can set based on your commission, whatever commission over and above this price, you can add it while placing an order with Meesho, and Meesho will collect that money from your customer. They will keep whatever they are supposed to keep, and remaining whatever commission you have set for yourself, that amount will be credited to your account. Okay, so I would suggest you in your free time go install this app and see what all other options it gives you, because there are so many things here, like my bank details, my payments, refer and earn, Meesho credits. So there are so many other options. I cannot talk about each and everything in this video because it will be too long. So this is the first app I wanted to talk about, and let's go to the second app. Okay friends, the second app I'm sharing about is Glowroad. Glowroad is also similar to Meesho, the first app which we saw. It is also like an online reselling app which is giving good options, but there are some difference. That is why I'm making this video, so please stay till the end. So Glowroad gives users access to a virtual shop, okay, and millions of products from trusted suppliers, payments and shipping facilities. Thereby it is removing the hassle of starting an online business. Okay, I have installed this app. It has asked for a registered number, so I've entered the number, I've entered my email address, and I've come to this page. So I'm clicking on continue, allow. Okay, so once I'm here, like the first app, it is also giving me list of products to choose from. Okay, so the difference in this app is, which I think is a cool feature better than the other app, is here you can create a shop. Okay, My Shop Prime is what they call it as. You create a shop in this app and you add the products based on this catalog. Whatever products you want to add to your shop, you can add it. Okay, like in Meesho, you can add it in your shop. So if you see here, I've selected on this product and it is telling add to my shop. So I'm adding to my shop here. And if you see the previous thing, so let's say for example I'm adding this, sorry, not this one. Let me go back 1 minute please. So once add to my shop, it is giving me a margin you want to keep. Okay, so it is 10% minimum. You can increase the margin based on your customers. You know what margin you can keep based on the product, so you can keep the margin and you can add it to your shop. Once you add it to your shop, from here you can share the link through WhatsApp or through Facebook to your customers. Okay, so let's say click on share product. You have these options where you can share to your customers. So once you click on WhatsApp or Facebook, it will go to your customer and it will show all the products you have in your shop. Okay, margin you have already selected in the previous page. So with the margin, with the price description, with the product, it will go to your customers, and when your customers are happy, they can place an order on their own through your shop. And once they place the order, company Glowroad will deliver the product. They will collect the price including your margin, and whatever the margin you have selected, that will be credited back to your account. Okay, so this is the information I wanted to share in this in this one video. Two apps, both are pretty similar, but one is slightly better than the other one, is what I feel according to my review. Maybe you can have a look. Okay, I'm sure you will find interesting things here. One good thing is, like I've been saying in this entire video, is you do not have to invest any money, and you can sit at home. If you have a smartphone with internet connection, you can give a try. It will not cost you any money. Share it to your friends, to your colleagues, to your family members or anybody, and see how response you will get. So it is one more important thing here is this product prices are wholesaled price. Okay, So it is not like whatever price you're getting in other websites. So it is not like that. It is slightly lesser. It is a wholesale price is what the company is telling. So you can make a good margin if you have a customers. Please use it and see how it works. Okay friends, so this is the information I wanted to share in this video. I am sure you have liked it, so please click on the subscribe and the bell icon and keep supporting me for many such videos. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you again next week.